Today we're removing the stereo from a Chrysler Sebring. We're going to start with our pry bar and pry the trim panel from around the car stereo with the AC vents and the clock and hazard switches. From the dash, it has several clips up each side. Pry pressure releases these clips, and this will allow you to pop the front panel free of the dash. We're going to pull it slightly from the dash. There are several connectors at the back of this panel, and we're going to start with the emergency flashers. This has a trigger on the side that you squeeze in to release the lock and remove. This will allow us to pull the bottom of the panel up to access the connector at the clock assembly. All the connectors here are keyed so they fit back to one spot. There's no need to label them. We're going to remove this panel and set it to the side. We're going to need a T15 torque screw. There are 4 mounting screws to the car stereo. On some Chryslers we've seen 4 up each side. 2 hold the faceplate on and 2 secure the radio to the dash. So you want to remove the 4 upper and lower screws, 2 on each side. This will allow you access to the connectors. They also have triggers that need to be released and removed. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our website for any other removals or installations, and thank you for watching.